In this video, we will see how to fix if help app not working properly on your Windows 11 and 10 Windows system. To fix this issue, go to Windows search and type store troubleshoot. Find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on open. To run Windows Store app troubleshooters. Here, click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically. Click on next and wait for let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, fix them accordingly. After that, check your Get Help app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open Windows Settings app, right click on the Start button and choose Settings. Here from the left side, go to System Settings. Thereafter, go to right side and look for the option Troubleshoot. Click on it. Choose Other Troubleshooters. And here run network and internet troubleshooters. There may be a possibility of your network connection issue. So network and internet troubleshoot run your system and check whether your Get Help app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows Settings. Right click on the Start button and choose Settings. Here from the left side, choose Apps. Here click on Installed Apps. Here in search field, type Get Help. Get Help app will appear. Here click on 3 horizontal dot against Get Help app and choose Advanced Options. Here scroll down and you will find the option Reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose Repair, and if this app still is not working right, then reset it. And after repairing and reset your Get Help app, check whether your Get Help app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Update your Windows operating system. Right click on the Start button, choose Settings. From the left side, go to Windows Update, and from the right side, click on Check for updates, and if any update available, download and install it. Same process, go to Advanced Options, choose Optional Updates, and if any option